What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we got a lot to discuss as far as in the last previous videos I showed you or told you that I ended up getting a new truck on 2019 Chevy Silverado. I've been holding back on actually showing this video for quite some time. I've had it in my phone so that later on in the year I could actually post it and show a video of me actually getting the truck and going to the dealership and trading it in. So I got a really good deal on the truck. I really can't complain with me getting the truck, but there are a few things here and there that I do like about the truck and some dislikes about the truck, but we'll get further into that later on in this video. So go ahead and stay tuned and watch this video of the truck.
Perfect.
Alright guys, as you can tell, this is my 2013 Equinox. This is the one that has been through everything with me. I've had it since 2014. I've had this car for a long time, and it has served me phenomenal. I cannot say anything but good things about this car, but unfortunately I'm starting to have issues with it, and with it being my daily driver car, I can't really afford to have it start breaking down and everything like that. So what we've done is we've traded this one in. We've traded old Knoxy in, and I have now gotten a 2019 Chevy Silverado. The Chevy Silverado has been on my bucket list or my car list for a while. I didn't really want to have it this quick, but now I have no other choice but to get the truck. So yeah, it has the camper shell on the back of it. The camper shell is pretty nice. It has a mirror that comes with it, as well as a few other features, which I'm going to go through and eventually actually show you exactly what the car has as far as features. But this truck is amazing. I like it. I love it, actually. So this is also going to fare well whenever we actually start taking Michelle to the track and getting everything done. So stay tuned. As you've seen in the video, going through picking out the truck, getting it ready to go, and we had to actually take all of our stuff from the Equinox and put it into the truck. So give you a little bit of background as to what happened with this vehicle is I ended up finding out that the vehicle was throwing so many codes that the dealership really couldn't figure out exactly what was going on with the Equinox. So I ended up trading the Equinox in for the truck. I've had the truck for about 4 or 5 months. And there are a few things I love about the truck, and there's a few things that I dislike about the truck, but I'm going to do a full-on detailed video as to what the truck has, some of the capabilities it has, as well as the storage features, the camera features, and all the different things that I love about the truck, which is going to eventually help us in the future when we're pulling Michelle and pulling Veronica or any other cars that we have for projects. So I really appreciate your help, guys, and I really appreciate, we're trying to, at the end of this year, get to around 1,000 subscribers. If you don't know, I'm not really a good YouTuber. I don't consider myself a good YouTuber, but I'm trying to put out the content so you, the subscriber, can see it, and you can give me good feedback as to what you would like to see further on this channel. With that being said, hit the subscribe button down below and also hit that notification bell to keep up with the updates. But I really appreciate the help, guys. I'm out.